What's up, guys? Tonight I am going to remove all this intercooler piping, and I'm going to install the new intercooler piping I got for specific for 428. I don't know how it goes in there yet. We're going to figure it out together, but that was a kit I got on Amazon, and I don't need to start fiddling and it's doing what I did to this one, trying to figure it out, pushing, getting it too close and all that stuff. It's gonna work the way it's supposed to work. So yeah, we're gonna fix together. I am going to maybe keep this part here because I do not want to put this guy in there. If you saw me doing that, that's a fight, and I really don't want to go in there again. I also I'm waiting on coils. So if you have a 428 and you have those coils, the coil pack from the 428, and you're interested in upgrading for individual coils, I got a, yeah, you better watch the next videos. The next videos I'm going to take this apart, remove that, put coils, individual coils, wire them, and get it running on my Speeduino ECU. So stay tuned, but let's keep going on this video now. Okay, so old one is out. They're all good still. It just they were also larger, which I think was gonna help my case a little bit, but I left outside for a while without headlights, so got some discoloration, got a little unhappy with that, so that's what triggered me to try to find something that would fit better. And now I have a lot of pieces that I need to make sense and see where they go, but you see that I have way less connections because some of the parts are welded together. I wear the gloves because it is cold in here and it's easier to hold those things, but yeah, you see here they're welded, so I'll use definitely less. So now we'll need to try and make sense of this and see where it goes in there. This is kind of obvious. It goes here, goes up, and then I'll try to use my part that has the blow-off valve. Otherwise, there is one piece here with the blow-off valve attached, which I do not want to use. I definitely want to try to stick to mine. This thing here came with all the couplers I need. Probably I'll need a few more. That's gonna drop. My intercooler is too large. I think it's 2.5 or 3, and yeah, this is a little smaller. Well, actually it's the same size, so I might be able to use this one here, just clean and change the clamp, and good to go. So yeah, I guess I have pipes for intercooler for like a lot of builds now. Okay, so I'm going to start test fitting. One thing here that we have is just to show, we have this is 3 inches to 3 inches. This is 2.5, I believe. 2.5 is like 45 degrees. We have another 90 degrees, and then we have this one, which is 2 to 2.5, which is great. And we have those tiny ones here, I believe 2, 2.5, and 3, and that's it. My intercooler, which is right there, it is a 3-inch intercooler. BMW seems to be doing fine with that, so I'm gonna leave that intercooler there, which I originally bought for this car, but I'm not gonna mess with that. And I'm gonna put this adapter from 2.5 to 2 or 3 to 2.5, which is right there. And I'm gonna put this guy here, and we're gonna start test fitting. This is the first one, I believe. It goes right in there, and from here we're gonna identify what to do. Wires are like that because I didn't finish cutting off all the wiring, and I gotta insulate or isolate. I don't know the word in English, but if it's positive, I need to be sure that it's not gonna touch any ground or anywhere. So I need to be sure that everything is well done. And then I gotta put everything in a place. I'm gonna make a little plate here out of carbon fiber and cover everything. So for now it's gonna be like that, but we're gonna do it. So one thing I've learned when you are installing intercoolers and these pipes is flip this here to the side that you have access, because once you put in there it's gonna be a heck of a job. So I'm gonna put this guy in here. Yeah, check it out. So it's not quite in there. It is in the turbo all the way, but it's not quite in there. I have a little more space on the bottom. So if you see here, I can barely see this, but here, right here. So there, and this is going to connect right in here. So this is perfect. This kit is actually surprisingly good. I got the two sides with 3 couplers, and this is going to be my problem right here, because I actually have no idea. Maybe it's like this. Yeah, not sure. No idea, no idea. So I guess we don't need that. We're gonna be good without it. Nice. Okay, so the other side, it's gonna fit perfect in here. I just gotta twist a tiny bit, but yeah, that's basically gonna be what I need right here. I don't know if it's too far, but yeah, I can figure something out in here. Wow, this is actually very good. So that fits in there, and now we are straight with this problem here, which is only a short 3 inches. I could basically use some of the stuff I have. Yeah, right here, a little piece right here. All right, and let's finish it. This here, let's do a little tour. Check it out. So I didn't change that from the top, so whatever I had there before is still same. This is old. Now this is what came with the kit. You see, that is 2.5 inches, and it is welded. It goes down, turn 45 degrees, then turn 90 and 90, and fits right in there, which is perfect. And this one, another one, which is crazy welded. There's some angle here, some angle there, another 90 degrees down there. I was gonna say downstairs. And then let me try. Yeah, so you see it goes right there, and then it comes this guy here. So this is inside here all the way down. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything, but I mean, I would cut, but the experience I have on that one is that thing pops off all the time with the pressure, and I only have 16 pounds of boost. So I might leave like this. I gotta buy another coupler, which is from 3 to 2. I have a bunch here, but none of them will work. So definitely I did something wrong. This probably, I don't know, would be down here. But then it goes too far. I don't want that. I like the way it is better. And 2 to 3 inches coupler. Blue. It's gonna look exactly the same as we have now. I might put the headlights. I think it deserves to be mounted again. And yeah, the next thing is gonna be replace the valve cover. I'm gonna get I got a valve cover that is powder coated, since I'm gonna replace all those guys. I'm gonna put the link on the description of this guy, because if I knew this beforehand, I wouldn't spend as much time and money, because I bought 2 sets of pipes and couplers and all that stuff. I wouldn't need. I would just need that thing, and that would suffice. That would be everything I need. So yeah, lesson learned, and I hope you learn from my mistakes. I can tell, like, if I need to build again another Toyota Supra or 2JZ, right? Not Toyota Supra, or Mitsubishi Eclipse, I would do like way faster and way cheaper, because I wouldn't spend like much money, stupid money that I shouldn't spend. So watch out the next videos. I'm waiting on the coils. So we have coils, valve cover, and we also have the Speeduino. I think this is the first 420A. Definitely is the first 420A with the Speeduino documented. I can't find anything on YouTube, anything on the internet. So I hope I help the next people, because this is an excellent ECU and it is very, very affordable. So I'm going to stop talking, let you go. But before we go, just to end the night, we fit the bumper, we put the headlights on, and this is how the intercooler fit. It's pretty good. I mean, this side is a little thicker and this side is a little thinner, but you know, overall it is equal. So I love it. I think it is a pretty good kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next videos. I already said what's going to happen on the next ones, so I'll see you on the next video.